Ever wondered how to truly unlock the power of your Monzo card when you're globetrotting, spending in different currencies, and navigating the complexities of international finance? Are you tired of hidden fees, unfavorable exchange rates, and the constant worry of unexpected charges when you use your debit card abroad? If you've ever felt that familiar pang of anxiety at an international ATM or checkout, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into how to master Monzo with different currencies, ensuring you get the most out of your money, no matter where your adventures take you. For years, traditional banks have made international spending a minefield of fees. From foreign transaction charges on every purchase to inflated exchange rates that eat into your travel budget, it often felt like you needed a financial degree just to understand what you were actually paying. But then Monzo came along, promising a transparent, fee-friendly approach to banking, especially for those who love to travel. And while Monzo largely delivers on that promise, there are still nuances to understand to truly optimize your international spending. Many people think that using Monzo abroad is simply a case of tapping your card and letting the magic happen. And to a large extent, it is. But to genuinely master it, to squeeze every last drop of value from your spending, you need to understand the mechanics behind the scenes. We're talking about exchange rates, ATM withdrawal limits, receiving international payments, and even some clever hacks to save you even more. So, buckle up, because we're about to transform you from a hesitant international spender into a Monzo currency pro. Monzo and the MasterCard exchange rate, your best friend abroad. At the heart of Monzo's international appeal is its commitment to using the MasterCard exchange rate. This is crucial because, unlike many traditional banks that add a hidden markup to the exchange rate, Monzo passes on the MasterCard wholesale rate directly to you, with no extra fees or charges on debit card payments. What does this mean in practical terms? It means when you use your Monzo card to pay for a coffee in euros, a meal in US dollars, or souvenirs in Japanese yen, Monzo uses the same rate that MasterCard itself gets from the global currency markets. This is generally considered one of the most favorable rates available to consumers. There are no sneaky percentages added on top, no opaque conversion charges you only discover after the fact. It's transparent, it's simple, and it's a significant money saver compared to many other banking options. MasterCard updates its rate daily, typically around 8 p.m. UK time. So, if you make a purchase before that time, it will use the previous day's rate. This is generally a minor detail, but it's good to be aware of how the system works. You can actually see the exchange rate applied to your transactions right within the Monzo app. After you make a purchase in a foreign currency, the app will instantly show you the amount in the local currency and the converted amount in GBP, along with the exchange rate used. This real-time visibility is one of Monzo's standout features, giving you complete control and understanding of your spending. ATM withdrawals, navigating cash abroad. While card payments are increasingly common, there will always be times when you need cash, especially in certain countries or for smaller purchases. Monzo has a clear policy on international ATM withdrawals, but it differs depending on where you are. Within the European Economic Area, EEA, if Monzo is your main bank account, you get unlimited fee-free cash withdrawals within the EEA. This is fantastic news for anyone traveling within Europe, as you can withdraw cash as needed without worrying about extra charges from Monzo. The EEA includes all EU countries, plus Iceland, Liechtenstein, and Norway. This is a huge perk, as many other banks still charge for ATM withdrawals even within Europe. Outside the European Economic Area, EEA, this is where the limits come in. If you're outside the EEA, Monzo offers a fee-free withdrawal limit. For most users, this is £200 within a rolling 30-day period. Beyond this £200 limit, Monzo charges a 3% fee on any additional withdrawals. This 30-day period resets exactly 30 days after your first withdrawal, not at the start of a new calendar month. It's a rolling limit, so keep that in mind. Understanding your limits, you can easily check your remaining fee-free ATM withdrawal allowance directly in the Monzo app. Simply go to your account details and look for limits and allowances. This gives you real-time information, helping you plan your cash withdrawals effectively. What about the ATM provider's fees? It's crucial to understand that while Monzo might not charge you, the local ATM provider might. Some ATMs, particularly in popular tourist destinations, charge their own fees for withdrawals. Monzo has no control over these charges, and they will be added on top of your withdrawal. Always look for a notice on the ATM screen before you confirm your withdrawal that details any local fees. If you see a fee, you can always try another ATM or consider paying by card instead. Dynamic currency conversion, DCC, the trap to avoid. This is perhaps one of the most important tips for international spending with any card, not just Monzo. When you're making a card payment or withdrawing cash abroad, the terminal or ATM might ask you if you want to pay in the local currency or in British pounds, GBP. This is called dynamic currency conversion, or DCC. Always choose to pay in the local currency. Here's why. If you choose to pay in GBP, the foreign merchant's bank or the ATM operator will perform the currency conversion. They will almost always use a less favorable exchange rate than MasterCard's, effectively baking in a hidden fee. By choosing to pay in the local currency, you ensure that Monzo, using the MasterCard exchange rate, handles the conversion, giving you the best possible rate. It might feel counterintuitive, especially when you see the familiar GBP amount, but trust me on this, local currency is always the way to go to avoid unnecessary charges. Receiving international payments with Monzo. What if someone needs to send you money from abroad in a different currency? This is where it gets a little more nuanced. Monzo primarily operates in British pounds, GBP. You cannot hold balances in multiple currencies in your Monzo account. This means if someone sends you money in euros, US dollars, or any other foreign currency, Monzo will automatically convert it to GBP before it lands in your account. Fees for receiving international payments. Euro. If you receive a payment in euros, Monzo charges a 1% currency conversion fee, capped at £1,000. This is because Monzo converts the euro to GBP before it appears in your account. Other foreign currencies, non-GBP or Euro 4 payments in other foreign currencies, Monzo also charges a 1% currency conversion fee, capped at £1,000. This fee applies as Monzo converts the payment into GBP. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.